Maintain at least 6 inches of separation between gas piping and electrical conduit whenever possible to reduce risk and simplify maintenance. For routing gas piping inside a house, start by planning clear paths that avoid running gas lines in parallel with electrical wiring for long distances. Use a minimum 6-inch separation measured centerline to centerline as a practical thumb rule when physical constraints do not allow greater clearance. Support horizontal runs with pipe hangers at intervals of 3 to 4 feet and secure vertical runs at regular floor transitions to prevent sagging and stress at joints. Label all gas piping at accessible points with durable markers that indicate fuel type and flow direction so anyone working later can identify the system quickly. Where you must cross other services, do so at right angles to minimize length of proximity and keep accessible service panels separated by at least 6 inches. If pipe enters a chase or conduit, use mechanical protection sleeves and maintain ventilation in enclosed spaces to avoid accumulation of leaked gas. Common mistakes include running gas piping directly alongside electrical conduits because it looks neater, which increases chance of damage and makes isolation and testing harder. Fix this by rerouting to maintain 6-inch separation or by crossing at right angles and adding mechanical protection. Another issue is inadequate support, causing pipe stress and joint fatigue, leading to leaks. Avoid this by installing hangers every 3 to 4 feet for horizontal runs and secure vertical transitions at every floor opening. A third problem is poor labeling and documentation, which complicates future repairs and safety checks. Remedy that by clearly marking pipes with permanent labels and keeping an updated as-built drawing or simple schematic near the main service entry. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and supplies, a discussion community where we and our users share real experiences and practical tips on gas piping and other projects. We help contractors find work by listing opportunities and letting them engage directly with homeowners and the community.